What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Coyotemike. Okay, so I got a request from 2 subscribers wanting to know what exhaust I'm running on my truck and also my LED setup. So basically, how I did it. So let's get right into it.
Are you ready?
What's up, YouTube? So here we go. We got the 2012 F-150 Coyote V8 5.0. A couple of mods I've done to it. Got videos describing exactly what I did and what I added on to the truck, all the mods. So basically what we got here, so I'm running, let me get the light on for you guys so y'all can see. So we're basically running some shorty headers. You can see them right here, right down in there. Let me see if I can get a better angle. So we got some shorty headers right here. See if you guys can see it from the top. So running shorty headers with NGK spark plugs. I am thinking about getting the NGK coil packs, although I do have to say that ever since I've gotten these NGK spark plugs, I have been having a little bit of misfire, so I'm probably going to change them back and go back with the Motorcraft just to put them in there. I don't think this Coyote engine's like in those NGKs. So haven't really done too much to the exhaust, still factory. I just got this exhaust tip right here. It's a 3-inch inlet with a 5-inch outlet with a, where is it at? There we go, right there. With a Flowmaster Super 10 right there with a resonator delete. So that's pretty much about it. But I am thinking about changing out the getting 410 gears back here, so that way it'll give me a little bit more power on takeoffs. But nonetheless, that's what I've got so far that I've done to the exhaust. I also had another question about my LED lights right here. So this is how I got them mounted. So I got one up in here, and unfortunately this year and truck, it did not come with an actual fender liner. So what I had to do was I had to drill into my tire fender well up here, and going into the actual cab, you can see right there we got 2 screws right there coming out. Really all you got to do is just grind them down. I got it on the other side as well too. See if I can find them. There we go, right there. Right there. So these 2, there's one right here, and then there's another one right there. So yeah, so that's basically how I did it right there. So I just drilled into it. Believe me, I sat there and debated about it if I want to drill into it. And with this setup right here, this is the way I had to do it. So I am going to be getting the Husky rear fender liners for the F-150 here. So basically I just ran the wire straight through here. I took off all the loom because I'm going to redo the loom and rerun the wires. I've got, so there's the one under the tire. Here's the wire coming down. I've got the other one right here. And then running along down there, there's the one underneath the driver's side door. And then you can see the other side over there. So basically what I did with these, or what I had to do, was same thing. I had to drill into the inside of my cab. I mean, which is fine. It really doesn't bother me. Then I put some bugle tape inside of the holes to cover up any holes that are left from drilling the actual hole after I put the screw in there. So that's pretty much how I ran the bottom. Let me slide on over. Give me a second. Okay, so here we are underneath the front driver's side door. So this one is right here, center with the door, and underneath your truck, or actually underneath the floorboard in your driver's side seat, you have a little grommet right here, a little hole. You can see the carpet right there. So basically you just lift up the interior carpet inside of your cab and run your wire straight through there. And that's basically how I did mine. But I mean, pretty simple. Been extremely busy with work and whatnot. So this weekend, I am going to be coming out here and rewrapping all this and putting the loom back on there. But other than that, that's pretty much what I have. I am running the SETX4 from 5-Star Tuning. I'm running the E85 tune. Let me turn this off, put it in parking mode. All right. I even got my daughter out here equipped with some LEDs on her little ATV here, all-wheel drive car. So I installed some LED lights underneath her little Power Wheels car here, all-wheel drive. So even my daughter's riding the flag. Love that little girl. All right, guys, so there you go. That's how I'm running my setup for my exhaust and how I set up my LED lights. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button. It really helps us out. Until next time, it's your boy Coyotemike. Oh, wait a minute. Before I do go, we do have some WeatherTech. See if you guys can see that. Some WeatherTech side window deflectors that we're going to be installing on the 2012 F-150. I already got them installed, so you guys stick around for that. But nonetheless, once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button. It really helps us out. It's your boy Coyotemike.